Thank you, Earth Technology, for giving a chance to showcase our talent, for providing your internship. In Earth Technology, the mentor Adarsh sir is very good, and he giving a good guidance and supporting us. And we have learned so many things in developing website. We have learned how to develop our website with good look and feel. We have learned how to deal with customer, their requirement in website, and many things that we can help in our building a good website. And others sir also have guided in every direction that we can go and make our website good, and we can explore ourselves. And others sir also teaches the giving the guidance of what we required next step when developing our website. So I would like to thank the others sir for giving his guidance and Earth Technology to providing an internship. I also urge to different students who wanted to learn new web development, uh, software development, web development. They can join the Earth Technology because we are building a website on all other software with a very good efficiency and very good. We have very good team, and we are working very proudly and very sincerely. And others are also a very good experience. So mentor and his guidance. And I would like to thank sir and all the team for giving me, guidance to my internship and complete my web development. Thank you so much.